Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode, we're going to do a little bit of work on the body just because I want to get the center section of a body onto the car so I'm not making any more mistakes with the front cowling or anything, and we can start getting that squared away. So what we're going to do with this one is we're going to go ahead and actually crop the front where we split it into two pieces. That way the back clamshell opens, we'll have a front clamshell, and then the midsection. Here's what we're going to do. So we're going to follow this line up across here and up the contour, and then once we're about right here, about 6 inches out from this edge, we're going to turn it, come down this way, and then slant it back forward. So I'm going to start 3 inches. So this is going to be our cut line. We'll mirror it on the other side as well. I'm hoping there's not too much wind noise. So I went ahead, marked it out, used blue tape to protect the rest of the surface, and left a 1/16 of an inch right in between. So we're gonna cut right down the middle, and then do left side, right side, and then split the whole thing off. So let's get to cutting. just like that. We got the front split off there. So now we're gonna take the doors off and then the clamshell off and then carry it all into the garage onto the chassis. The body back on, I can talk about my little oopsie. So you would catch this in the break episode when that gets published, but I didn't see that this was extending further down past this forward lip, so it would not have cleared for brake master. So we are going to go with a different approach, and I'm going to have to refab this forward plate right here, but I didn't know that it wasn't going to clear without the body being on here. So now that we have it on here, we can make sure that everything else is going to be good. Last thing I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to wipe it down since it's been sitting outside getting sand blasted everywhere, and just get it cleaned up. That's going to be a wrap for this episode. On the next episode, we're going back in time, starting on the brakes, and then we'll finish up the brake master relocation, so that way we got a remote setup, and we'll go from there. So on the next episode, brake master, Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. If you like what you saw, share, subscribe, do all that. See you guys next time.